Car doesn't want to start, and it sounds like it's the battery. It's 0 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if the battery's so cold that it just doesn't want to start. Make sure it doesn't overheat. I just need to raise the temperature of the battery like 20-30 degrees. I don't need to boil it. All right, that's feeling warm. All right. I'm going to try to warm up the engine block and see if that helps. Fortunately, the engine block is way back there. I got to be careful. This K-Truck is sitting on top of 18 inches of snow. The snow gives way and it settles. It's going to squish me. All right, we're going to give that 30 minutes or so and see if that doesn't help. Well, there she is.